Istanbul, one of Europe's and the world's highest in terms of population density, is one of the richest cities in the economic and social-cultural aspects. Istanbul, a city of civilization, which bears the title of being the only city that connects Europe to Asia, has witnessed many earthquakes throughout history which resulted unfavorably. The possibility of an earthquake in Istanbul, with its current tissue structure, will not be overcome as easily as before. Unless precautions are taken, losses of lives, properties and financial assets can be very high. So, since 2006, IPCU have been serving the public to reduce the risk of earthquake disasters before, during and after the necessary studies for the establishment and for Istanbul. Scope IPCU is conducted by ISMEP project. The multifaceted and holistic approach to individuals and institutions aim to improve the preparation of disaster management capacity. These teams have contributed to receive full marks on many platforms for immediate establishment of communication and information technology to provide services at international standards of first responder institutions and organizations to provide all the equipment, development of systems needed. To provide services that will be used by both sides of Istanbul, Afad Hastal and Akfarat command centers have been built fully equipped control centers and provided a significant increase in capacity in disaster management. A total of 1,175 available public buildings, including hospitals, schools and dormitories, will be used primarily as a priority after the disaster. Buildings have been and will be retrofitted against earthquakes, assessing seismic risk, while those which cannot be retrofitted or rebuilt will be demolished. Each of these buildings is being individually designed by expert teams of architects and engineers with high consideration of energy, efficiency and earthquake resistance. Our efforts to strengthen buildings have spread to all districts of Istanbul, and we have so far reached 800 schools which were assured to close by the year 2015, so that close to 1.5 million children can go to school in modern, spacious and safe surroundings. IPCU is also providing a sensitive approach in its valuable contribution to the health sector in reconstructing Istanbul's well-known Okmeydana Education and Research Hospital, Göztepe Training and Research Hospital, Kartal Lutfi Kırdar Training and Research Hospital, and Ümraniye Maternity and Children's Hospital, earthquake resistant. These hospitals were designed using a green building and smart systems concept, so that even in earthquakes the base isolation system can be applied during and after, and will be able to maintain uninterrupted service. By decreasing the horizontal force with seismic isolation system devices and equipment, they can be used safely during earthquakes. IPCU has set an example to all stakeholders in this direction, with their retrofitting and reconstruction activities within the scope of using the latest technological products and methods. We, IPCU, have taken responsibility to protect our historic heritage by making these buildings disaster resistant for the sake of future generations. Safe City, Safe Life motto started out with IPCU in 2006 and has reached about 800,000 people through training. With more than 245,000 volunteer ambassadors, it has raised awareness of people in Istanbul about a possible earthquake, thereby increasing the capacity of disaster-resilient communities. We IPCU, Istanbul, continue our work, without interval, in preparation for a potential disaster. And we continue to work for Istanbul. We guarantee the future of Istanbul with this vision. We are the Governorship of Istanbul and Istanbul Project Coordination Unit. We are IPCU.